How to use OBS virtual camera on WhatsApp. First, open your web browser and search for DroidCam OBS Virtual Output. Open the GitHub page and go to the Releases section. Under Assets, download both the DroidCam driver and the OBS virtual plugin. Once the downloads are complete, install both files on your computer. After the installation is finished, open OBS Studio. In OBS, click on the Tools menu and enable the DroidCam Virtual Output option. This will create a virtual camera that WhatsApp can detect. To test it, I'll add a color source in OBS. Whatever appears inside OBS will be sent through the virtual camera. Now open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then select Video and Voice. Under the camera options, you should now see DroidCam Video. This is the virtual camera created through OBS. Simply select DroidCam Video, and WhatsApp will display everything that's being shown in OBS Studio. You can switch back to your regular webcam anytime if needed. If DroidCam Video doesn't appear in WhatsApp, try restarting your PC or laptop and check again. In most cases, a restart solves the problem. To confirm everything is working correctly, I'll start a quick video call. As you can see, the OBS virtual camera is now working perfectly in WhatsApp. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.